Hey everyone, my name is Abdullah bin Aftab, and today we are going to discuss an amazing service by AWS, which is AWS Lambda function. So what is AWS Lambda function is used for? It is basically used for serverless computing. What serverless computing is, right? So if you ever heard the serverless computing term for the first time, it might be difficult for you. But don't worry, I got you. Let me clear your concept with this. So let's see what basically computing is before dive into a serverless computing. So whenever we write code on our local machine, it acts like a server, right? Our local machine, it acts like a server. So basically it needs some storage service, some memory just like a RAM and a compute power, right? So whenever we are talk about the serverless computing, so basically we don't have to take care about all of these things. We just have to write code on it and the cloud services like AWS will take care about all of these things, right? So we don't have to take care in the serverless computing like storage, like our memory, like our computing power. AWS will take care all of these things, right? So let's see what AWS Lambda is. So as we have already, talk about the AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service by AWS. So it's not, just offer like how we can how we can optimize our resources just like something, but it can offers you a lot. Let's say we have to run our code every Sunday morning, right? And without any human interaction, it automatically runs your code in every Sunday morning. Let's see an example how we can use lambda function, right? So let's say I want to upload picture on a database, and I want whenever I've uploaded on picture on database, it automatically fetch by AWS Lambda function and it resize it. And whenever the picture got resized, it automatically dump into a database, right? So this is how we can use Lambda function for it. We don't have to, write code or run code of it. We just have to upload a picture on database, and next our AWS Lambda function will take care all of our pipeline is, right? So let's see what are the key benefits of AWS Lambda. So AWS Lambda is scalable, as we have already discussed that we don't have to take care all of the resources. It automatically maximize whenever it needs to be, right? And it automatically and vice versa. And we don't have to take care about cost. It is very cost effective because we only have to pay whenever our code is about to run, and it is very flexible. We usually, if I'm just like I would love to write code on Python, right? Let's say you are a Java developer, so you can write a code on Java, and I'm a Python developer, and I can write code on Python on AWS Lambda, and it is very integration friendly. AWS Lambda function can integrate with all other AWS services. So as we have already, much talk about the serverless computing, the how AWS Lambda is used for. Let's understand with the real world example how Netflix, a popular streaming service, use AWS Lambda function, right? So whenever a new TV show, movie, or something uploaded on Netflix, so the AWS Lambda function will check all the constraint, just like whether it is, it is available or it is feasible for other countries, or it can also, see all the necessities of that video. Why? Why Netflix used AWS Lambda function for it? Because it is fast, it is efficient, and it is scalable. Okay, so we have already discussed about what computing is, what serverless computing is, and how we can use AWS Lambda for, and how Netflix use AWS Lambda for their daily operation. So this is all about it. Thank you so much.